Hello everyone, welcome to Vocuni. Today we are going to understand what is smart grid and role of renewable energy in the smart grid. What is smart grid? In short, it is the communications with the energy provider and with the consumer. It is a two-way communications between substations or your load, and it makes your grid more smart. First of all, try to understand what is grid. What is grid? Grid is nothing but the interconnection of different generating power station. When it is connected to each other, it is called interconnection and provides electricity to the load. It is called grid. It consists transmission tower, it consists of substation, transformers, switchgear and protection for to protect the system. It consists of different types of major components and it provides power to the load. There is no digital communications with the system. You can say it is a no two-way communication with the system. What is smart grid? The smart grid is electricity network grid enabling to two-way flow of electricity and data, whereby smart meter is often seen as the first step. Okay, and smart grid represent opportunity to the new era of reliability, efficiency and economically useful to the consumer. So the benefit associated with the smart grid is more efficient transmission, reduce peak demand which will help to reduce electricity bill of the consumer, and increases integrations of large solar PV power plant or wind power plant in the renewable energy sector. So these are the benefits or advantages of the smart grid. The smart grid is nothing but the electric grid plus intelligence. Okay, so it is called smart grid. So smart grid consists of different types of generating power plant, for example thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, hydro power plant. Also it consists of, for example, solar power plant is going to generate electricity throughout the day, and in that durations your thermal power plant will reduce the generating power power. So all the demand will fulfill from the solar PV power plant, and whatever the surplus energy is provided to the grid. So in that smart grid, all the communication between the technology is two-way. So the main part is what is the role of renewable energy in the smart grid. So you can see in the slide there are number of generating power plant from thermal power plant, solar PV power plant, wind power plant that provides the power to the load. So there is one home, it consists of smart meters, solar power plant, and which is connected with the grid. All the powers are, it is a two-way communications between the substations and the home. It will become more smart. So whatever the energy required throughout the day, it will generating from the solar power plant. Whatever the surplus energy generating from the solar power plant, it will provides the grid. The advantages of smart grid is the most important digitalization. It is a two-way communications between the load and with the substations or advantages of smart grid is digitalization. So in this smart grid there is a generating digitalization, so the power plant will more real-time insight from the connected assets to the automated remote controls. Decentralization, moving from the customer to consumer. So what is the advantages of the smart grid? So first of all, smart grid consists of different types of technology, renewable integrations and energy storage. The most important, it consists of battery, solar PV power plant or wind power plant. So it will integrate it with the grid, so grid makes more smart. Okay, the two-way power flow, the very important part. It is a digital communications between the load with the grid. It is a two-way communications. Okay, so two-way power flow means the electricity is generating not only from the thermal power plant or grid. Yes, you can install a solar power plant onto the rooftop of your home and you can generate your own electricity, and surplus energy we can transmit to the grid. It is called two-way power flow. Okay, the second is advanced meter infrastructure. So what is advanced meter? It is called smart meters. So whatever the energy flow from grid to load to grid, मतलब solar PV power plant to grid, that whatever the energy is calculated from the meter, it is called net meter. So this is a smart meter, you can say, and this is very useful to calculate the net metering. Okay. Third is energy management. Reduce greenhouse gases emission. So energy management system means you, on the basis of your load requirement, we are providing the power to the load, and so because of that thing, energy management system, greenhouse gases is reduced. Okay, I hope you understand smart grid and role of renewable energy in the smart grid. I request you to all, please connect with us on our social medias. Subscribe our YouTube channel for webinars on latest industry trends and industry expert talks. Also, follow us on LinkedIn for regular latest job posting and industry trends. And please visit our website for new course offering and job posting. Thank you for watching this video.